My name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Bitcoin. I am back from holidays. I hope that you had a fantastic week, fantastic holidays as well. I hope that you spent your free time with your loved ones, and we have to get off the charts sometimes to clear our minds, to have a healthy trading, because for me personally, from May to July, things have been very hard. I wasn't performing so good, I wasn't myself, and I think that you have experienced the same as well. When you make a mistake, then it runs out to many mistakes, and then you have more anxiety, which leads to more mistakes as well. This is something that you need, of course, as well. I need to improve in order to be a successful trader. And if you do scalping, this gets worse. Right now, I think that I am in the best position to let you know that into our crypto group signals, into the premium that you can join via Patreon or Buy Me a Coffee, you will find the link in the description box and in the comment section. I will be posting many more successful trades. We had one successful trade right now, which was a long on BTC until the 27.2k, in which you can see that we just went all over and then we fell down. And I'm going to explain why did I give the long, and of course the next targets, the next steps for the crypto market, right? Because eventually Bitcoin right now seems a little bit unstable. What I mean by that is you have the correction, the crash of a minus 10%, right? You fall down, then you have a nice pump, right? Everyone thought that right here we would go down, but I knew all way long that we wouldn't be going down, that we would have a nice pump right here. And the thing that I was thinking about is, first of all, the patterns, right? The patterns almost never lie. Almost 90% of the chances we have to have a successful trade. Sideways, a pump, sideways, then gives the other pump. If you ever see this like a head right there and the sideways price action, the head and the sideways price action, always remember that this is a buying opportunity, right? But it was not only that. Bitcoin did something historical. We went down to below 10 in the RSI, closing at 7. We haven't seen that since 2018 and so on. Maybe we never see that into the Bitcoin's history, right? So I was pretty sure that this would turn out as a bullish movement because this was a bear trap, okay? And this is what we got back here. But right now we are stunting into something very important. The thing right here is that we got rejected from the 200-day moving average. This white line right here, this is usually the resistance level that we need to surpass in order to have a bull market in the lower time frame. So always remember that. 200 days moving average, the simple moving average, not the EMA or so, okay? So you can see that moving average right here got rejected, then we want a little bit having a correction, but the main problem is not there. The main thing that we have to know and we have to be certain about is this line, the 27.3k, 27.4, 27.3, around there, okay, this line right here. Okay, so what we need to do right now is, you can see these lines, which are very important. 200-day moving average right here, the white line, along with the yellow line, along with the red line. What we would love to see, a closing above condition in the weekly scale above this target. If we see that, then I am honestly into a position to tell you that Bitcoin is going to massively get a burst of buying opportunities. All right, so the Feds will see that and the Feds will start buying, and therefore we are going to go to the 32.7k. You can see that I was screaming about the 32 to 32.7k. We didn't approach exactly the 32,000. We stopped at the 31.8k and then we had the correction, but at the same time I am still optimistic. Now we want to see though if this is going to turn out as a head and shoulders pattern and then we go down or not. But mainly we will focus on this target right here. If we close above this target in the weekly scale, then expect over the next weeks an outburst in the price action. More altcoins will move up along with Bitcoin, and therefore we will have a great time into September for Bitcoin. I'm assuming that maybe the cycle will start on November. I think that November was actually a month which we had a crash back on 2021. Okay, we are on 2022, sorry. We do not want to see that as well. You can see right here, November hasn't been the great month. It has been a great month, but it can be a very, very bad month as well. If you go back here into November, this is where the main crash started. The main crash, Monday, November 2021. Sorry, I want to say 2021. Then we came off to the November 2022, in which we had another crash. Okay, so in November we have the crashes mainly, but they bring out to the table the next bull run. And because we are into a bull cycle, I have to tell you that we are into a bull cycle. I think that November is going to be the same. Maybe a crash and then a massive burst of buying entries. Maybe it is the case right here. But these timelines, I do not trust them so much, right? That's why we focus on targets. That's why we focus on closing above and closing below conditions. And this is what I want to provide onto my premium signals as well on Patreon or by Makeoff, right? I want to provide closing above so we minimize the risk. Therefore, we have a standard buying pressure right here for many altcoins or short positions as well, right? So the 32.7K is going to be very, very good. Now, I'm going to make another video about some altcoins right there. You can write in the comment section which altcoins you want, right? Because, of course, sometimes I'm running out of ideas as well. I'm running out of some altcoins that might pump. Okay, you cannot watch all the altcoins into the crypto ecosystem. It is very hard. You can provide me some details and I will be here to tell you to make a video about what I believe about this project or in general with technical analysis and price analysis mainly and fundamentals after. I'm focusing more into technical and price analysis and I have a reason for that because everyone thinks that the news are coming in first while it is the opposite. You will learn it as soon as you get into trading. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day and see you soon. Bye.